This is not normally how I started any Z video, but yeah, I've been stranded. Nowhere to go, no food, no water. Dude, I've been literally like, look at this. There's no one around. I don't know what to do, boys. I'm going for like 10. There's a car coming. And it's a Z. Dude, are you kidding me, bro? There's no way, bro. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Dude, somebody's rescuing me. No way. No way. Dude, what? And it looks freaking raw. Dude, are you picking me up, bro? Yeah. I've been stranded here for like an hour. Is it cool if you... Alright. What, dude? This is crazy, bro. Cool Z though. Thank you. Dude, you got full of freaking carbon. I didn't even...
Yes, sir.
What? Now there's a car going by. This is awkward. Yeah, thanks for picking me up, bro. I appreciate that.
For sure.
Guys, I'm just playing around. This is my buddy Josh. I'm gonna introduce you guys to him in a little bit when we get home. He has his phone, man. That it shot a big flame and it's a TIMEEE. Dude, that thing was loud. Alright, we just made it home. My neighbors are staring at me film. This is weird. Here we got my buddy Josh, and back there's a car that rescued me. And before we even get started, because I don't know if I put in the title or not, but just watch a little further to the video or through the video because you guys are gonna get an insane carbon fiber part for free. But let's talk about his Z, because this is the most unique Z I've ever seen. Yeah.
This is my beautiful 370Z.
Okay.
It's wrapped, as you can clearly see.
Which he did himself in his garage. I guess I know. That's the most important part.
Myself. Not a rap professional, but it's okay.
But that thing looks good, dude. It's like a blue, but then it's like a purple, right? So
yeah,
the darker it gets, the more purple it is,
yeah,
right?
It's called a color flip film.
Okay.
So yeah, so then I got carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber front bumper, carbon fiber hood.
Which he did himself. I just want to put that out there.
Not the hood.
Oh, not the hood, but these fenders.
Yeah, the fenders, front bumper, carbon fiber B pillars.
Which, hint, hint. Okay, so we're going to talk to you guys about it a little bit.
Rip.
Carbon fiber doors. Which he did himself. And if you guys don't notice, this is the same interior material that I have on my Z. So if you like that, shout out to Josh. He's the one that I basically copied you, bro. My bad.
Yeah.
And he sold me the material. Oh yeah, this is just insane, dude.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad.
The idea that he did all this himself is just mind-blowing.
Coils.
Coilers.
Basically just full bolt-ons, E85, TIMEEE obviously.
That's you forgot the most important part, bro. My man's got a TIMEEE. If you guys, and you have art pipes, right?
Yeah, art pipes. So instead of test pipes like you, I got the art pipes.
But it sounds like whenever you backfire next to me, my car shook.
Really?
Yeah, I was like, whoa, this thing is scary. Well, that's pretty raw, dude. This car's awesome, not gonna lie.
Thank you.
No problem. But yeah, so let's get to the part which I've been talking to you about this whole video. Alright, I'm gonna do this again.
Right,
I can do this. Alright, this is take 2. So in this video, I'm gonna hook, well, I'm not even hooking you guys up. Josh is, and actually the really good thing about this is a B-pillar replacement. Like literally, and it has like all these clips. So this is like super high quality, and you guys have the chance of winning this. All you have to do, I'm gonna put the steps on the screen because it's not a lot, but I feel like I'm gonna mess it up. So he's gonna post a picture of both our cars. I'm gonna put the camera here so you can see both of us. He's gonna post a picture of both our cars. What you have to do is leave a like on the picture, follow Alliance Carbon on Instagram, follow me on Instagram if you want, then repost that picture to your story, and then message him saying done.
Yep. And then I'm gonna put all the names in an Excel spreadsheet, and in 1 week from this post, I'm gonna do a live video, and I'm gonna randomly select a winner, and you can have a choice of either the normal carbon, which he has in his hand, or the honeycomb, which is on my car. Danny?
We put a clip. Yep, we got the clip. We're gonna put this one right now on my car, just so you guys can also have like a tutorial video on how to do it. Cause like if you win this, dude, you're lucky. Dude, I wish somebody was giving one of these away. Honestly, I'll be the first one. I would like make 5 different accounts and do the same thing 5 different times, cause it's that good. So yeah, let's go ahead. Put this on Brittany, some more carbon fiber parts. And the reason why I went with the regular carbon instead of like the honeycomb or whatever is because my door handles are carbon, so it's gonna match perfectly, and I'm super excited. Most the aftermarket ones that people sell are just like they go on top, right?
Yeah, they're stickers, so that's usually they just stick on, right? Kind of like your door handle.
Yeah.
But I wanted to make a full replacement because the stickers, they just don't look good, you know?
But this guy is like out here, bro.
Get rid of these scratched, ugly pillars, faded.
They do get really scratched. Mine's ugly. Alright, do you not say that? He's gonna do that side, right? Or
yeah, I'll do that side and you do this side.
and I'll do this side. I'm probably gonna mess it up. Tools like this.
Yeah, so all you need to really take it off is just a little flat tool, and just get up under there and just pop it off. You just gotta be a little careful, you know. If you're a little too much force, you could break a clip off. No big deal, because these new ones have clips. I mean, you just throw the old ones out because you don't want them anymore.
Let's get it.
What I usually do is I go in from the bottom, because there's a clip like right there.
Okay.
Or I go in from the top if I can't get the bottom one out. But I go in just like this, and you should be able to feel with like the tip of it, like the clip. See? Didn't break that one. And then what I usually do is go to the top, and there's a clip right here, right?
Okay.
So I just kind of wiggle it around. There we go.
Dude, this guy is insane.
And then the middle one. There we go.
He got a 3 for 3. You guys gotta go follow him.
Hold the part and just push down.
Oh, you slide it off?
And it'll come off really easy. You just same exact thing. You just take it, put it in like that, and you'll hear a little clip, and then good to go. I start with the top clip and put that in, right? And then just go down from there. And you should, hear the clips pop in.
Yeah.
And boom, it's good.
Damn.
Perfect fitment. Look at that fitment, dude. Come on now.
Dude, this is like high quality. And if they want to buy it, what are you, oh my god, I'm so wet. If they want to buy it, DM you or?
Yeah, shoot me a DM on Instagram, @AllianceCarbon. If you message me saying that you saw this part, I'll give you 20 bucks off.
Hey, we're hooking you guys up.
Say Danny Z sent you, I'll give you 20 bucks off.
Alright. Dude, that's so sick, bro. And this is really cool because when I first bought my Z, I wanted to put a lot of carbon on it, and I kind of faded away from that route. But now we're putting carbon. I got a couple other carbon things coming. Now it's my turn. Whew, okay, I got this.
You should be able to just wiggle it around and go like this with it, maybe.
I heard a bad crack.
Oh gosh.
Oh, did I? No, I didn't. It's still in there.
Rather than. There you go.
Oh, got it. Did it? I don't think it broke,
No.
but.
On top. Here, maybe try the skinnier ones.
When you did it from the.
Oh, there you go.
Got it. Yo, if I can do this, it took me like what, like 2 hours?
Yeah.
You guys can do this. There we go.
Oh.
Bam.
Dude.
Yeah. Dude, that looks insane. I love how subtle it is. Got the carbon handles and the carbon up here. Update on the interior. Looking as good as ever. If you guys have not yet watched the last video I made, I basically completed the whole interior of the car. And also I realized that I deleted a couple clips that I filmed before Josh left of him revving the TIMEEE and everything. I'm stupid. Either way though, we need gas time. Oh, okay, let's see. Can we scrape here? We're gonna scrape here. Oh, we did not scrape. Let's go. Oh my god, there's a cup right there. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Back down. The cop was staring at me for like a good 2 seconds evaluating the car. I hope it rated me like a 10 out of 10. Or maybe like a 9 maybe. Hopefully. Guess what though? This gas station run did not forget my glove and did not forget my wallet. A lot of you guys are also loving this button, which I knew you guys were gonna like it, but not as much as you did, so that's pretty cool. I mean, it does look a lot better than the OEM. Okay, he left. Whew. Flame comes out of there. Oh, look how clean that looks. Okay. Watch it not start. I'll never forget the day where I came to this exact same gas station. I'm pretty sure we finished filming a video. Or it was right before we were filming a video. And the car did not start. It didn't want to do anything. You know when the battery's dying, it still has like a little bit of battery. Nope, click the on button, nothing. And when I popped the hood, the negative terminal on the car was completely off. Like, it was the weirdest thing, and that continued happening. So when I tuned the car, I don't know if you guys have seen the tuning video, definitely go ahead and watch it. before we did anything, we had to fix the terminal cable or the negative, because if that pops when you're doing pull, the ECU will fry, and during a tuning session, that's the last thing you want. So, also wearing the shorts that we all love. Not really, but still wearing them. Like dope sketches. Cue intense music. Yo, how did my car pop that loud? Oh my gosh, what? It's getting ridiculous at this point. Brittany, control yourself. Okay, remember that one time I can't speak. Remember that one time a couple videos ago where I parked back there and then I looked at this trail and I was like, you know what? The 370Z probably can't go through there, but we're still gonna try it. Today's the day. I'm just kidding, so it's not the day. But I parked it here because I really want a lot more carbon fiber parts. So now we got the new mirrors from Jalisco Carbon Fiber. We got the B pillars from Josh. Seriously though, if you haven't already and you're watching this far into the video, go ahead, the picture should be up right now. Go like the picture and do everything that you have to do to enter the giveaway. I really want you guys to get this part for free because it's pretty costly, and I've always wanted it and I never got it because it was really costly. And now Josh is hooking you guys up. So go ahead, enter the giveaway, and best of luck to you guys. I don't know, man. I really want fenders and a hood in carbon. Like, I've always wanted that. When I first bought the car, I envisioned it with a lot of carbon fiber. Now we're actually trying to get carbon fiber. And then I kind of forgot about it, and now I'm like, dang, carbon looks so good. And after seeing Josh's Z, I want to do it to my car. Probably not gonna do it myself. I'm not that DIY, but if anybody out there selling carbon parts, let me know. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it, but let me know, boys. Should I get more carbon parts? Obviously, all of you are gonna say yes, so that's not even a question. Whew. But with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and end up today's video. Not gonna make it any more longer, but I just want to make it for you guys, so you can, one of you can win these carbon fiber B pillars. So best of luck to you. I'm out. Leave a big thumbs up, subscribe. In the description below is gonna be everything you need to enter the giveaway. Let me know, guys. Should we? She looks so good. She needs carbon, man. You need carbon. All right, I'm gonna leave you guys with the B-roll. Hasta luego.